you gotta say Ducati came in swinging and wins. I mean, no matter what you say, whether it's a national championship, it's not MXGP, who cares? This is a team who's putting a ton of time into this bike, putting a bunch of research and development into it, and it's proving profitable for him. Going into the Italian championship, was it Alessandro Lupino? Is that how you say his name? Maybe I'm butchering it. Alessandro Lupino, yeah. Comes in first year, wins. And this is the full, 450 MX1, whatever you want to call it, class. And for Ducati, this is really good. They come out first year, first championship that they're actually racing to win, not just look competitive, maybe steal a couple wins here or there, but be inconsistent. No, to come out, look consistent, look fast, and win is incredible for them. And it's exciting for any other series you're looking for. MXGP, when they come over here to America and run, Supercross and Motocross, because they're proving that they've made, not making, they've made a bike that is competitive. And, they're going to come over with factory support. And, he's got Monster Energy, Alpinestars, everything under the sun. Like, they're going to come over as a full factory squad. They're going to be putting money into this. They are going to be signing the best guys. So they are going to be competitive right off the rip. Who they're going to sign over here, who knows? It kind of depends on, contract times and who's still around racing and who really wants to be a development rider. I mean, at that point, it's not going to be, but it's still going to be the first year of riding a bike. So I'm just excited for this. Like I always say, better competition breeds, better a better show, a better overall, just better overall everything. The more factory squads you have, the more money you have in the sport, the more riders get all the trick parts and trainers and everything else, you're going to have some good things. And with Triumph coming in and looking competitive, when soon, hopefully, with a 450 squad, and then when I think it's 26, maybe correct me if I'm wrong in that comments below, with I think that's when Ducati is going to be coming over here. I mean, they already have a 450, so all they have to do is either develop the 250 or just have a 450 squad to start. It's going to be good. More people, more big rides, more factory teams, more money in the sport. It's going to be great. I really am excited for this. And I guess next year, obviously, again, correct me if I'm wrong, next year they're racing MXGP. So we're really going to see how they stack up against, the factory squads in the big boy racing. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Comments down below. Are you excited for this? How well do you think they're going to do next year? Who do you think they're going to sign when they come over here to America? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.